Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you very much for joining me again. So today I'm with one of my childhood friends, Jacob.
How's it going?
How's it going? How's it going? The snake, Jacob, yeah, Jakey B.
Not for a year or two.
Yeah. So anyways, we're just walking around this little bit of forestry, just looking for somewhere to set up for tonight, and yeah, we'll be back in a moment to show you where. So here we are. Found a little spot that we're going to set up to. Going to put the tarp in between here. This tree. Going to have a little fire just nestling in the middle of those. And yeah, let's get ready. Right, so you can see a nice little setup here for tonight. Got plenty of room down there. Literally just going to chuck sleep bag straight on the floor. It's pretty warm, so yeah, that should be sweet. Just going to dig a little bit of a fire pit here, get that one kicking off and ready for a nice night in the woodland, eh, Jacob?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's crack it on. Bit of fire prep coming along nicely. You've got plenty around here, haven't we, bro?
Easy work.
Oh, mate, just the minute you're standing, you can just feel it, can't you? He's looking pucker, mate.
I reckon that's a fire.
What do you think of that knife? It's a bad boy, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a weapon.
Yeah, mate.
Take bears on with that, no problem.
Honestly, when I'm sleeping around the vipers and that, I've always got that just under my pillow, thinking, you know, if one comes up, you never know.
Take on him and his family with that thing, wouldn't you? It's lethal.
Lethal weapon 4, mate. 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever one they're on now.
Do you get caught walking around that with Bob in town, you'd fit right in.
Ooh la la. That's French for Mamma Mia, which is Italian for oh my god. Right, let's get a load of wood up, mate. Get a load of wood and we'll start cooking up this. Got some ramen to eat.
Concoction.
Oh, it should be lovely. Look at this one, mate. What's taking this down? Bloody hell, boy. Right, mate, a little bit of water in that bottom. Oh, nice, mate. Pop that little bad boy back on top. Usually I clean that out a bit bare, but I was in a bit of a rush to get out, mate. There we go. Powder him up. I'll let you have the first one. So yeah, Jacob, first thing he said to me pretty much was, "Where's Beppe? You got him with you?" So just gonna make a nice little coffee to start off for him there. And yeah, we're just gonna obviously we just got the fire started because we wanted to get it started early, but we're just gonna dig around a bit there, just get it nice and really flat in there, make a kind of fire pit. A bit more, yeah, literally just to get it kicking off nice. And yeah, collect a bit more wood. Gonna cook up a bit of what did we get? Some beef, wasn't it?
Yeah, some diced beef.
Diced beef,
some
ramen.
Noodles. Bit of veg.
Now. Chuck all that in, boil that off. We'll chuck that on in a minute, actually, the beef and that.
Yeah, get that going.
So yeah, a bit of an easy ramen. And then yeah, we got us a few IPAs because basically Jacob watched one of my last videos as well, and he was like, "Nah, let's get a couple of tasters on." So yeah, we're gonna crack a few IPA. Got an absolute assortment there, didn't we? Yeah. We literally just went in there. We were like, should we? Like there, it was, what was it? 4 for
3, cheapest 3, something like that, isn't it?
Yeah, it was a good deal. So basically, we were like, right, well, we only wanted to get about 2 or 3 each. We were like, right, we might as well get the 8, and if we don't drink them, we'll take them back or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna go off on them, give them a little taste test. Don't want to get too heavy on the taste test, man. I don't want people thinking I'm stealing Hazy's spotlight, because like I've said before, that guy stands alone, doesn't he? Stands alone, that guy, mate. I couldn't tie his shoes when it comes to that. Honestly, mate, you see me after 3 or 4, I'm snoring over there, mate. So yeah, I'll leave that to the expert, mate. But yeah, it'll be nice just to get a little tipping on, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Keen as mustard.
Keen as mustard, mate. So yeah, you just wait now. When you start hearing it percolating a little bit of bubbling, yeah,
we know we're
we'll
on.
pour her up for you, mate.
Decent.
We'll see what we are. What are we on today, coffee-wise? We're on a bit of Colombian there, mate. Peruvian, sorry.
Bit of Peruvian.
Bit of Peruvian. Don't get that every day, do you, mate? Bit of Peruvian, bit of Colombia's finest the other day.
Nice.
Yeah, I've not had any Peruvian coffee for a while. There we go, Jakey. Snake eyes.
First taste of Beppe.
He had to get this mug on the way. It's proper made Beppe look like a weakling, that, hasn't it? That mug's absolutely huge. Go on, Jakey. What do you think of that one, mate?
Solid 9 out of 10. That's
Oh, there we go, mate. Got the rating started already. That's pucker though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's
Oh, Beppe delivers, mate.
That's nice to have one made like that. Too.
Oh, Beppe, mate. Right, so Jacob's just going to show me some of the stuff that he's got. He's keen fisherman, so.
Power pack.
There we are. That's a bad boy. What's a ridge monkey? How many charges say you get from that?
You get about 8 phone charges out of that, something like that.
That's perfect.
It's about 110 quid, but it's worth it.
Worth it, man. That's well better than mine, man.
Yeah.
Look at this bad boy of a head torch. How's that?
Ridge monkey head torch as well. It's about 50 quid, I think, but it's rechargeable. Lasts hours, you get hours out of one charge. So that was well worth the purchase.
What's green light for?
It's when you're fishing, don't damage the light column so much, apparently. Something to do with that.
Fair play, mate.
That's
I've got a red setting on mine. That's just not to be seen so much.
Yeah, same on that one. That one's got a red, and it's got a white.
That's bad boy. What do you do with that? Just tie it?
It's magnetic on the back, so it's got a plate on it.
Oh, mate, whack it on the top, innit? Let's have a look.
Get that rigged up over here. You'll get hours out of that as well when it's fully charged.
Mate, that's pretty, yeah, that's quality, man. That really sticks there as well, doesn't it? That ain't moving nowhere.
Yeah, ain't going nowhere, mate. Comes with a remote as well. I lost that.
Stop it, serious?
Yeah, I lost that pretty much instantly.
What else you got in there? Any
Bought gas stove for emergency. Little tracker
gas
one.
stove?
This is
You never know, gas stove.
just easy life, innit?
Yeah, to be honest, whenever I'm camping at Dartmoor or whatever, obviously it's kind of no fire area.
Living in modern times, might as well take full advantage of it. So that's pretty cool. Self-lighting.
Nice
Nice big kit.
Nice, mate. Nice. Like I say, Jacob's proper avid fisher, so hopefully one day I get go out for a little fisheroo, won't we? We have to go out for a fisheroo, mate.
Yeah, come out, mate. You'll see living the life of luxury.
Oh, there we are, mate. That's what I like. I guess you got it when you're fishing, because obviously you're there for the purpose of that, aren't you? So
yeah, exactly. You've got to be comfy. Sometimes you can be there for 48 hours and you won't move. You'll just be at the same spot. So
ain't foraging, no stuff there, are you?
Bacon, sausage and egg for life.
Oh, mate, I like it. I like it. You sold it, mate. You sold it.
Yeah.
There we go. Right, let's pucker this up and get some food on, I guess.
Rinse that cup out, mate. Look at the state of that. He's right. Yeah.
Right, let's get cracking. What we got on first, mate?
First one of the night is a mango IPA.
Oh,
a Kirkstall. Fresh, juicy mango adds exotic depth to this hazy IPA, hopped with Galaxy, Citra, and Simcoe.
Nice, nice. Look at me just nodding like a pro.
Yeah. Simcoe, great. That is awesome stuff.
The other night when I was camping with Lee, mate, he had a mango cider.
Good gear,
mate. Top notch, mate. Top notch. Not a little sideways pour, no?
No, it's flat, mate.
Yeah, fair play.
No fizz in that, dog.
They ain't no mad dog.
Seems alright. Give it a whirl.
Yeah, see, one thing that I do quite like with IPA is it's never like overly sweet, if you know what I mean.
No.
Like the mangoes.
Yeah, it's there, but it's not overwhelming.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's decent.
Yeah.
When's the last time you had a drink?
This morning.
Serious? So what are you giving that mango on, mate?
Don't know, it's hard to tell.
It's not my favourite.
No, it's not an overwhelming flavour. It's quite neutrally taste it, but you know, it's alright. I could drink one or two.
Yeah, be a kind of steady.
Yeah.
5, 6 for me, that one.
Yeah, I'd probably give it a 6, maybe a 5 because there's a bit of tree bark floating around in here, but that's fine.
I don't think that's the can's fault, is it?
No. Yeah,
That's some cup though, isn't it, mate?
That is a weapon.
My gran had one like that, man.
Jesus Christ, you could fit a whole flask in there.
I know, when you were filling it up, I thought, God, you could get the old can there, man.
Easily. Fitted 2 in there, I reckon.
Oh, that food's going to be puckering it.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Fire's going away nicely.
Hopefully it'll be done just as it starts getting dark, because for me that's perfect time to eat, because you just kind of get it digesting as you're starting to set out to go to bed and that.
Yeah,
like
definitely.
proper digesting, you know, not just
going to bed full of food.
Yeah, mate, it just keeps you nice and warm, doesn't it?
I don't think we'll be struggling with that. I don't think it gets lower than 16.
Now, when I'm in the mountains doing survival trips, that's what I usually do. Like, any type of food I can come across, like if I've not got an abundance of food, I'll eat not long before I go to sleep, man, just to keep your body kind of working a bit during the night.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
But up in them mountains, mate.
Different scenario, innit?
Oh, the mercury can dip well below the 30.
Yeah. This is something else. This is camping luxury.
Yeah, a bit glampy,
almost virgin glamping.
Right, here we go. Number 2. Food's not too fast. This will probably be the last one before food, won't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Right, what we got, mate?
Salty kiss this time. Never had it before.
Salty kiss, mate.
Gooseberry ghost, lightly sour, fruity and refreshing.
Tell you what, mate.
Seems alright.
I like it. That does sound pretty nice. Does it actually have a... Yeah, gooseberry goose. Alright, that
Sounds alright.
That sounds nice, mate.
Like the can. Very quirky.
Very quirky. I'll tell you what though, mate. I reckon it'll beat the mango. I didn't rate that mango one too much, if I'm being honest.
It's difficult.
Rated the Peruvian coffee well above that, mate. That was nice, that, wasn't it?
Beppe wins over everything, I think.
Oh, mate. So yeah, Jacob finally got to meet the Beppe, aka the Italian stallion.
Absolute weapon.
Oh, quality, innit?
Yeah, it's cool.
Got that one to look forward to in the morning, bro.
Yes, we have. Tastes like seawater.
Can definitely taste the gooseberries, but that is a weird kind of...
That is a weird taste, isn't it? It's not like a clear...
You got the acidity from the gooseberries, but... I tell you what, mate, I'm glad we had those 2 to start with, because for me that's another 5, 6, 6 if I'm being...
That's not scoring highly, that.
Generous.
Yeah. I'll agree with you on that. That'll sit there for 20 minutes now.
Yeah.
I'm in no rush to finish that.
Yeah, again, yeah, we don't want to get too heavy saying it, but again, none of us are big drinkers. More just drinking to catch up. Obviously, you ain't seen someone for a long time. It's one of them, innit? So yeah, don't take our word for it if we say it's not that nice. I don't know. Maybe if you're a drinker, you'll appreciate it a bit more.
Definitely new to these IPAs. Don't drink many of them at all. It's quite a nice change though. You know.
To be fair though, I mean, I'd rather have an IPA. That's one thing that I say, like I like with hazy, man. Like that I've learnt personally. Like I've never been a beer fan.
No.
like unless you're in like a different country, you know, you're trying a Croatian beer or whatever it be.
Yeah.
But I don't know, with IPAs, with the different flavourings and that, you know, it's something different, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
It's not just your
it's
kind
like
of
a taste test thing, isn't it? Lager's lager. Just drink it.
Yeah, with these, it's kind of like I can really see why he does enjoy doing it and gives a good little review on each one now, because like honestly, there's a video I done with Lee with had a Neapolitan one, for example. I literally cracked it open thinking, oh, this will just be lagged in sugar. Gorgeous, mate, gorgeous. I was like, what? Like you can taste the flavour behind it, but you can taste a bit like it. Yeah, again, it's not just lagged in sugar. It's proper like down the middle, and yeah, honestly, like because even flavoured cider, you can taste that artificialness to it.
Oh,
can't
yeah,
you?
definitely, yeah.
Whereas these, they kind of, I don't know, taste a bit more like they're brewed with it or something.
They're all unique as well, aren't they? No one tastes the same.
Yeah, it's literally a lottery, isn't it?
You never know what you're going to get.
I don't know if we're gonna get through all of
No,
all 8 of them. So we are sharing them. So even if we drink 8, it's only 4 each, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know if we'll manage that. You know?
To be honest, that's enough. I said before, that's enough to send me.
I'm looking forward to that.
Send me
food.
Zeds, mate. Yeah, we'll add the noodles in a minute, and yeah, just give you a little show of that. So yeah, we've got the beef and the veg, looking lovely there. Just going to add some noodles in a minute. Get that kicking off. No boiled eggs to add to the ramen, which is a little bit of a down, but obviously camping out, I don't like bringing too much. I don't want to start bringing little egg containers and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get cracking, mate. We'll have that going in a minute, won't we be?
Oh boy, I'm looking forward to it.
Proper job. Oh, crikey, mate, that's the torch shining, boy. Right, here we are. So tonight's ramen. Everything's a bit kind of under the noodles at the moment, but gonna go down a treat, that one. Gonna go down a treat. I'm gonna put
guava.
put that one on just in case I can't. Do you think they can see that, can
I reckon so. I think this will make it worse.
they? Nah, go on then, go on.
Right.
Right, mate. Let's crack on. What would you give the food, mate? That's a solid 9 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, that was nice food. I'll agree with that.
Like a bit of ramen, innit?
Yeah, that was good gear. Slowly cooked. Nicely done.
Mate, okay, we had that on there a couple of hours, didn't we, mate? Got all the wood, chilling for a bit. So yeah, what's this one again, sir?
We're on a Hazy Jane guava.
Hazy Jane?
Yeah.
Crikey.
Hazy Jane, she sounds alright.
I once had my heart broken by a lady named Jit. No, I'm joking. Go on, mate. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Tell you what, mate.
God,
That's going to be the best. That's going to be the best so far. I'll do it, mate. That's tutti frutti, isn't it?
That's really nice, yeah. That's smooth.
Oh, mate, that is...
Yeah,
we're going to neck that one quick, aren't we?
Yeah, should have got 8 of them.
Should just told me. To be fair, again, what are we on? This is the 3rd one now, isn't it?
Yeah, 3rd one.
3rd one, so again, just at a nice leisurely rate. But yeah, I think I might start necking them a bit quicker. Not too long before bed, man. I'd be surprised if we do finish all 8, to be honest. But
yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna check to see if we can get any reception, because I think Jacob's keen to watch a little bit of boxing going on tonight. So
Usyk versus AJ, innit?
there we are, man. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a bit of boxing, mate. Little couple of IPAs for the boxing would be nice.
Yeah, that'd be decent.
Crikey, proper glampers, mate. Proper glampers.
Proper glamping.
I like it, mate.
This is nice.
Is getting pushed around, beat
So
up.
don't want any copyright out here, so I won't keep it filming too long, but it's got a little bit of the boxing on, mate. We're chilling McChillison here, aren't we?
Yeah, man.
Can't believe it, mate. Can't believe it. Got that little, what is that, yeasty boy Got that one kicking off in a minute.
But to his credit, still firing
What's it
back with these right hands.
gonna matter?
Good body shot.
It ain't gonna matter in the morning, mate.
I think Ergovic is
Oh,
aware.
what a name.
And we have seen Corey in the past.
Right. Next up, yeah, we've got that gonna matter. Well, see, you said it's like Juan Mata's gone to Arsenal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, here we go, gonna matter, mate.
The yeasty boys.
Got a few little bubbles on the edge of the sleeping bag there.
Glad it's yours.
Touche, touche.
Sweating up that ring. Just sweating it right in the middle.
Oh, this one's smelling pretty sweet, mate. Gonna matter. Sounds like he's working up in the infantry, doesn't it? All right, mate. Give that one a little swirl. Oh, that one's. I thought that was gonna smell it. Oh, grey. Right. There we go. Love me a cup of tea, but
That's alright, that's nice.
oh, that's nice, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Yeah, that's really
It's quite fruity actually.
yeah, that is.
Got a decent taste to it. Anyway, let's play on with this botching. Watch AJ get his head knocked off.
Ooh, yeah, that ain't liable, mate.
I've said it. I quite like it with green light.
Go on then. So yeah, that green light's cool, man. So quick predictions out here, Jake. What do you think?
Should be back in AJ really.
Nah, go on, go with your head, mate, not your heart.
Yeah, it's Usyk. Usyk's a better boxer. He's
What
gonna beat him
round you thinking knockout points?
up. Could go points. Usyk's a better boxer. I don't know. I think he'll beat him up by round 6.
Ooh. Right, man. I'm gonna go Usyk round 8 or 9. I think AJ's stand up till about then, I think, but
We'll see.
we'll see. You heard it here first, guys.
If we're completely wrong, we'll edit it, change it after.
I said round 5, didn't I? I said round 5. Right, yeah, let's see what it is. If you're watching this and you already know the result, well, there's not much of a surprise in there for you, is there, really, to be honest? But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So there we are, main event about to kick off. Yeah, what you said on the Beastie one? Did we give that one a rating out of 10?
Yeah, no, I quite enjoyed that. That was alright. It's an 8, isn't it?
8, yeah, solid, mate. That I'll tell you what, it was a lot better than advertised, so to say.
Yeah.
So now we're going to move on to what is it we got next?
This is the Brewdog Puppet Master.
The Brewdog Puppet Master. Look at some of these, mate. 6.5%.
Pretty much vodka.
Never seen it, mate. Honestly.
Rocket fuel.
Rocket fuel. We'll kick this bad boy. This is gonna hit us like a coffee, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think we'll finish this one. Hopefully we can stay alive for the fight.
Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully.
Big shout out to Ukraine.
Yeah, hashtag Ukraine. Shout out. Big it up.
Boom. And that is
Right.
the Brewdog Puppet Master.
There we are, mate. Little chinky cheers there.
Cheers, bro.
Chink chink. Oh. Smells good. Oh, mate. That one's overtaken the Earl Grey.
Cool, yeah, that's got some bang to it, that.
It's got to be an 8.5, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, it was 6.5, so knock your head off.
Here we are out in round 12. Oh, it's getting feisty out there. So yeah, we've got this little hop, little salt, 5% Simcoe, single hop series. Yeah, we're both wrong on the predictions, dead wrong. We're into the last round here, so yeah, interesting stuff. It's been quite an average bout, really, innit, to be fair.
AJ's better than expected, but still.
Yeah, I thought AJ had the better of the first 9 rounds, if I'm being honest, but Usyk came out in 10 and 11, putting a good show, didn't he? But right, we'll check back in a minute. That hop, that was definitely, that's a solid 8 for me. Sweet, that.
Yeah, that's what we're on now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all right, that.
Ah, sweet like chocolate, mate.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Jeddah in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, after 12 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Glenn Feldman scores it 115-113 for AJ Anthony Joshua. Steve Gray scores it 115-113 for Alexander Usyk. And Victor Peschenko scores it 116-112 for the winner by split decision. And still the unified heavyweight champion of the
Usyk.
world from Ukraine, Alexander.
Oh well, AJ might be able to get a fight with KSI or something.
That's staying in. I ain't editing that. That's funny, mate. I don't know, man. Maybe Jay-Z will take him on. Beyonce. She's a feisty one, man.
Yeah, she beat his
So yeah,
enemy.
that hop, mate. That's definitely an 8 for me. That's sweet, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
That's sweet.
5% still enough.
So there we are, unlucky AJ. Is what it is, mate. Went all the way. Went the distance. Oh, that green light looks pretty cool. Little bit of late night Mexican lamb. Gonna cook those up and yeah, munch them next to this fire, eh? Go on, what we got there, bro?
It's a double hazy.
Oh, it's a double hazy.
Yeah, it's a New England IPA. United we stand for better beer.
Oh, there we are, mate. We stand united, don't we? What do you think of that one? What are you giving that?
I'm giving it a 7.2%.
7.2. Oh, crikey, we're getting to the points now, aren't we? Gosh, man, might have to get decimals up myself, won't I?
That's alright, that's nice. It's drinkable.
Oh, mate, how good are them lamb kebabs?
Mate, that's decent.
Touch a little bit of mint sauce, I think, in there, isn't there?
Something going on.
Oh, mate. Melt in your mouth, not in your hand, that, innit?
50 cents though.
Oh, mate. Could serve that up down turquoise, that, could you?
I've been served worse from there.
What we got over here, Jaco?
It's a Vocation Special Edition, this one.
Right. This is a little bedtime tipper, isn't it?
Yeah, a little toucan tropic.
Toucan.
Yeah, this is a non-Irene, they call it.
Toucan play that game.
Yeah.
Right. Here we go. Let's get a little taste test on go.
Savage.
Tingle, tingle. Toucan tropic. Oh, that's sweet.
It's nice.
Oh, that's nectarish. Right. Right, we're going to put a button on that, yeah? See you in the AM, people. Let's get that coffee on, Jacob. fire pit all buried down, everything cracked on. That's it, me and Jacob off for the adventure now. Just make our way through this woodland and yeah, put a button on today. Here we are back at the car, so yeah, we're gonna put a button on that. Cheers for joining us, Jacob, mate. Had a nice one. Ciao for now.